Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch Hulu on your Fire TV device, follow these step-by-step instructions to download, install, and set up the Hulu app for streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV device and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the Find menu or use the search icon at the top. Step 3. Type Hulu in the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the Hulu app from the search results and click Download or Get to install it on your Fire TV. Step 5. Wait for the installation to complete. Once done, the app will appear on your Fire TV home screen or in the Apps section. Step 6. Open the Hulu app and select Login if you already have a Hulu account, or Sign Up if you need to create a new account. Step 7. Enter your Hulu email and password using the on-screen keyboard, then click Login. Step 8. Once logged in, you can start browsing and streaming content from Hulu on your Fire TV. Enjoy your shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.